Yes, good afternoon, dear children. Please mark your attendance now. Yes. Those who have to send the video still, please send it fastly. Then only we can make some. Today, someone's parent called me. Okay, next Hiba has to send. Then who else? Shifana has to send. Advaita has to send. Where is Advaita? Advaita, where is the video, my dear? Forgot all about it. Huh? Okay, don't forget today itself you sent it. Okay, dear.
Okay. Yes, miss.
Then who else? Sinan. Sinan, did you send the video or no? Why? 1 week is over now. Today, please send it. Okay. When your father and mother comes from the job, please send it. Okay. Mr. Hiba. Hiba next week only, I think. She is somewhere else. Okay. Next one. Anita. Anita didn't send. Anita, today will you send? Okay, good. Next, who else? Yes, this. The next Binya has to send it. Eh? I didn't understand. Yes. Our aunt's sister, Ashni. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, okay, good. Okay, dears. Next, Ajit Joseph. What happened to your brother and sister today? Okay, please take your test books, all of you, and notebook that I have sent the notes. Some students already have completed the notes and sent me back. Okay, you can take fastly. I have given first one's floor, then supper, ashamed, that and all are meanings. Okay, can you hear clearly?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. See, while I send the notes, the first few words are there. The meaning of that words I have given. Adin thandirikkunna meanings aanu. Next exercise, match the words. Match the words. Yeah. Listen to your teacher. Read out section 1. She or he will read it out twice. After you listen to her, he or him, the second time match the words in the columns. So first, angry. Angry. Who was angry? The boy was angry. See, listen. Ipa miss parayunnu onnu shradhichu kelkka. Nammude notes aayachadu ningalku test book il thanne mark cheyyavunadum ezhuthan pattunnadum you can write in your test book itself. Okay. Then question answers which and other things which do not have space in test books, you have to write in your notebooks. Did you catch me?
Please.
Did you catch me what I said? ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് കേൾക്ക ചുമ്മാ മീസ് വിളിച്ചോണ്ടിരിക്കാതെ മിസ് പറയുന്ന മുഴുവൻ കേട്ടിട്ട് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് സംസാരിക്കാവുള്ളൂ. ഒരാളെ മീസ് വിളിക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എല്ലാവരും വിളിച്ചോണ്ടിരിക്കും. മിസ് ഇന്നലെ നോട്ട്സ് അയച്ചു തന്നു. അതിലെ ഫസ്റ്റ് വേർഡ്സ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന മീനിങ്സ് ദാറ്റ് യു ഷുഡ് റൈറ്റ് ഇൻ യുവർ നോട്ട്ബുക്ക്. മീനിങ് ഷുഡ് ബി റിട്ടൺ ഇൻ യുവർ നോട്ട്ബുക്സ്. അതിനൊരു വേറെ എവിടെ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുന്നതെല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ തന്നെ എഴുതാം. കാരണം ഫിൽ ഇൻ ദ ബ്ലാങ്ക്സ്, ട്രൂ ഓർ ഫോൾസ്, അതൊക്കെ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ തന്നെ ഫിൽ ചെയ്യാനുള്ള സ്പേസ് ഉണ്ട്. സോ യു ക്യാൻ fill there. Next, question answers and other things which you do not have space in test books, you should write in your notebook. And while writing in your notebook, you should write the question also.
And gold.
Okay. So, section A, first one, angry boy. Ashamed. Who was ashamed? North wind was ashamed. So number 2 for north wind. And third one is cook. Cook. cook will make a supper for us. Supper, that is night food ആണ് supper എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So cook will make food for us. So for third one, answer is supper. Next, fourth one, dark. Dark night. It's night. Hiba, please don't turn back side and left side, right side and all. You just listen in the class. Hiba has to sit properly in the class. While class is going on, don't bother.
Miss, page number 3.
On the textbook page number 28 ആണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ എനിക്ക് അറിയില്ല. Third lessons exercise. Third lessons exercise.
Miss, page number 28.
Okay. Third pages exercise. Listen, നിങ്ങളോട് ഒന്ന് രണ്ട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ പറയും. ക്ലാസ് നടക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് നിങ്ങളും മറ്റു കാര്യങ്ങളിലേക്ക് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുകയേ വേണ്ട. You should listen in the class. Your parents, grandparents or neighbors or any relatives may come to your house or they may go out of the house. You need not bother about that. അതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് ഒന്നും ചിന്തിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾ സമയം കളയണ്ട. നിങ്ങൾ എപ്പോഴും ക്ലാസ് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചാൽ മതി കേട്ടോ. മമ്മി വന്നു, പപ്പ വന്നു, അനിയൻ വന്നു, അതൊന്നും നിങ്ങളെ ബാധിക്കുന്ന വിഷയങ്ങളല്ല. Okay. Next, dark night. Dark is number 4. Answer E. Night. If you are marking, you can write it fastly. We do not have much time to waste. And last one is, fifth one is magical. Magical tablecloth. D is the answer. If you are drawing, you can draw lines. Otherwise, you can put number. For angry, answer is B. And ashamed, answer is C. North wind. Third one, cook. Answer is A. Supper. And fourth one is dark. Answer is E. Night. And fifth one is magical. D is the answer. Tablecloth. Okay. Next one, B. Read section 2 with your friend and discuss what is a RAM. That you have to write in your notebook. That notebook because there is no space in your textbooks to write answer. So what is a ram? Ram is a male sheep. That is male sheep is known as ram. And what do you think happened to a ram? A ram in endu sambhavichu ennu ningal vicharikkunne? It was stolen by the innkeeper. So the innkeeper stole the ram. എന്താ സംഭവിച്ച റാമിന്? ഇൻകീപ്പർ മോഷ്ടിച്ചു അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ
മിസ്, ഇപ്പൊ ഒരു കോൾ വന്നിന്, അതുകൊണ്ട് മിസ് പറയുന്നൊന്നും ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ടില്ല.
ഇനി കേൾക്കാമോ മോന്? ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് സി, സെക്ഷൻ സി, exercise C. Listen to your teacher and read out section 3. Work in pairs and tick the correct words. Two words are given there. You should choose the correct word and then you have to write. The boy dashed the north wind. Blamed or praised? Answer is blamed. Okay, put tick mark for blamed.
Blamed.
Did you get page number 28? I don't know. Third lessons exercise. Third lessons exercise. Sinan, are you listening to the teacher or are you talking to your brother or sister? Someone is there? Now listen. Exercise number C. First one is the boy blamed. A is the answer. Second one, it was a dash stick. Magic or ordinary? Stick. How was the stick?
Magical.
Magic. Very good. Put tick mark for magic. Put tick mark for magic. And third one is the boy dashed that the innkeeper had stolen his gifts. Understood? Misunderstood?
Understood.
Understood. Very good.
Understood.
Mark for understood.
Understood.
Okay. Then fourth one, the innkeeper had kept the dash in the kitchen. Ram or tablecloth?
Tablecloth.
Tablecloth. Okay. Okay, tablecloth. Put a tick mark for tablecloth. Next one, fifth one. The stick dash the boy's command, obeyed or disobeyed?
Obeyed.
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 Okay. And next, section D, sum it up. Fill in the flow chart to show what the boy had and what happened next. So first one has been given here. First one is boy. Boy had a floor. ആ ഫ്ലോറിന് എന്ത് സംഭവിച്ചു എന്ന് അതിന് താഴെയുള്ള കോളത്തിലാണ് എഴുതേണ്ടത്.
ഫിഫ്ത് വൺ എന്ന് പറയോ?
Fifth one answer is obeyed. Obeyed. Binya, right, Binya? No. So Binya's mother will help you to write. Okay. So D, first boy is given there, and boy had floor. Boy the kind പൊടി ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ആ പൊടിക്ക് എന്തോ സംഭവിച്ചു എന്നുള്ള ആരോ മാർക്ക് ഡൗൺവേഴ്സ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ കോളത്തിലാണ് എഴുതേണ്ടത്. മിസ് has sent the photo separately. So yes, Miss has sent the photo separately. So you can write floor. The north wind blew the bag away.
The north wind blew the bag.
Yes. Second column, tablecloth. So floor ഓടിച്ചു വിട്ട് കാറ്റ് ഓടിച്ചു വിട്ട ടേബിൾ ക്ലോത്ത് കൊടുത്തു അല്ലേ? So tablecloth. That means stole it. Next one, ram. Yes.
Hide it in the barn.
Okay, the innkeeper hid it in. ആരാണ് ഇപ്പം കയറി വന്നയാളുടെ ഫാസിൽ റഹ്മാൻ? അതാരാണ് ഈ ഫാസില്? What's your name, please?
മുഹമ്മദ്.
അല്ലേ? അറ്റൻഡൻസ് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യുമ്പോ ഏത് പേരിൽ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യും ചക്കരെ? Okay, dear. Third lessons exercise we are doing. Please don't forget to mark your attendance. എല്ലാവരും അറ്റൻഡൻസ് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യണേ. ഫാസിൽ റഹ്മാൻ എന്നുള്ള പേരിൽ കയറിയ മുഹമ്മദ് ടി അറ്റൻഡൻസ് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ മുഹമ്മദ് ടി എന്ന് എഴുതണം കേട്ടോ മുത്തേ. Okay, dear. Okay, dear sir. Now see, Ram the innkeeper had hid it in the bag. റാമിനെ കിട്ടി. റാമിന് എന്ത് സംഭവിച്ചു? ഇൻകീപ്പർ അതിനെ മോഷ്ടിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് പോയിട്ട് ബാണിൽ ഒളിപ്പിച്ചു വെച്ചു. Next, last one is stick. Stick what happened? Yes. നല്ല പടപട അടി കൊടുത്തു. ആർക്കട്ടെ? ഇൻകീപ്പറിന് അല്ലേ? Okay. If you did not understand how to write that, I have sent a photo of that. I have sent the photo of that separately. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അത് എഴുതിയത് എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലായില്ലെങ്കിൽ ആരോമാർക്ക് താഴെ കിടന്നിട്ട് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് എഴുതണം. അതിന്റെ ഒരു ഫോട്ടോ ഇട്ടുണ്ട്, അതുപോലെ എഴുതണം കേട്ടോ. Okay, next worksheet E. Write true or false for these sentences. First one is the north wind followed the boy to his house. Did the north wind follow the boy to his house?
False.
First one is false. Yes. He did not go to the house. He was about to the street. Isn't it? Street തന്നെയാണ് പോയത്. അപ്പോഴത്തേക്കാണ് ഇതെല്ലാം പൊടിയെല്ലാം പറന്നു പോയി വീട്ടിലേക്ക് പോയില്ല. Okay. False. The north wind gave the boy a plate and a spoon.
False.
So second one is
False.
second one is false. And third one is the tablecloth was kept hidden in the kitchen.
True.
Very good. Next one is the innkeeper had hidden in the ram. Sorry, hidden the ram.
False.
No. It's false. Okay. False. Sorry. Don't make a sound. Fifth one. First one is false. Second one also is false. Third one is true. Fourth one is false. And fifth one is the innkeeper was a thief. True. Thief. Next, sixth one is then the boy did not get back the north wind.
False. False.
We got back, isn't it?
fifth one എന്ന് പറയുവോ?
ആൻസറിന്റെ റേഞ്ചിന്റെ പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ടോ മോനെ?
True. ഈ ഒറ്റയൊക്കെ കൂടിയിട്ടൊന്നും മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല.
മിസ് പറയുന്നത് കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല. ഒച്ച വെക്കുന്നവരോട് അവിടുന്ന് മാറാൻ പറഞ്ഞേ. വീട്ടിൽ ആരൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. Tell them to move plus. Otherwise you change the room. ഒന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ റൂം മാറുക. ആ സൗണ്ടിന് ഇടയ്ക്ക് കേൾക്കില്ല. Okay, fifth one is true.
True.
True. Sixth one is false.
False.
Fifth one is false.
False.
Okay, next one is answer these questions. So here this question and answers you have to write in your notebook because you do not have space in your textbook. First question is, why did the boy follow the north wind?
The boy followed the north wind because
It blew
away his bag of flour.
Okay. Page number ചോദിക്കുന്ന ആള്
മുഹമ്മദ് അട്ടി.
മോൻ ഇതുവരെ അവിടം വരെ എത്തിയില്ലേ? കുറെ സമയമായില്ലേ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കയറിയിട്ട്? ലെസൺ നമ്പർ 3 എക്സസൈസ് പേജ് നമ്പർ 29 in my textbook. I don't know.
29.
Page number 29. Answer these questions. F. Muhammad, did you catch? ഇപ്പൊ മനസ്സിലായി എവിടെയാന്ന്? Yes, okay. Why did the boy follow the north wind? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് നോർത്ത് വിൻഡിന്റെ പുറകെ ഓടിയത്? Because the north wind has blown his floor. പൊടിയെല്ലാം തട്ടി പറത്തിയിട്ട് പോയി അല്ലേ? അതുകൊണ്ട്. Okay, next second question. Answer these answers have been sent through the WhatsApp group. Okay. Next second one. Why did the north wind help the boy? The north wind helped
The north wind helped the boy because the felt ashamed.
I am hungry. I have nothing to eat. So when our north wind heard this, he was ashamed. Okay, so he decided to help the boy. Next third question. What food did the boy order as he spread out the tablecloth? What all things?
The boy ordered beans, bread and meat.
Beans, bread and meat. Okay, next fourth one. How was the innkeeper punished?
The innkeeper
was punished by being beaten by the magic stick. Beaten by the magic stick. Okay, next, where did the boy find the ram? Where was the ram? Ram എവിടെയായിരുന്നു? The boy found the ram in the barn. Barnilana, അല്ലേ? Okay, next page. G.
The boy found the ram in the barn.
Yes, yes. Next G. Which of these words best describe the three characters in the story? Write them in the correct columns. Here, north wind, boy, and innkeeper. Their character is written there. First one is innocent, sly, naughty, kind, brave, cunning, determined, mean, helpful. These are the words you can write there. First one is north wind is naughty and kind and helpful. Kind and helpful. Yes, Raji, what happened here?
ഇപ്പൊ ബൈജുസിന്റെ ആളെ വന്നോടെ കേട്ടിച്ചില്ല ഇത്ര സമയം പറഞ്ഞത്.
What happened? Why?
ആള് വിളിച്ച് ഞങ്ങളോട് കേട്ടിച്ചില്ല ക്ലാസ്.
Continue. No problem. Anyway, all the answers have been sent. Send it, Razi. I have sent the answers in the class group, so no need to worry. We are just discussing. So north wind, naughty, helpful, and kind. And second one, boy. Boy is innocent plus what else? Brave and determined. Brave and determined. Okay. Innkeeper was cunning, mean. Okay. Next, think and answer. When the boy called the north wind a cheat, did the north wind get angry? No, he didn't get angry. First time he
No,
called.
because the north wind
You have
knew who was the thief.
ടേബിൾ ക്ലോത്ത് തന്നിട്ട് തിരിച്ചെടുത്തു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു അല്ലേ? യു ആർ എ ചീറ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. ബട്ട് ഡിഡ് ദ നോർത്ത് വിൻഡ് ഗെറ്റ് ആംഗ്രി? നോ. വൈ? Because the north wind knew that
Because the north wind knew
had stolen it.
who was the thief.
എന്താണ് നോർത്ത് വിൻഡ് ദേഷ്യപ്പെടാതിരുന്നത്? Because he knew that
Who was the
keeper had stolen it. Next. Second question. Which of these gifts would you like, the magic tablecloth or the magic ram? Which one you like more? Two gifts were there.
I would like to have the magic ram because I could buy anything with the gold dropped from the ram.
Yes.
The ram.
Here I like a ram. If you like a tablecloth, you can write a tablecloth. But I like a ram because if we like a tablecloth, we will get only food items. Isn't it? What all the food items you want, you will get biryani, nature, rice, then dosa, putta, whatever you want, you will get. But if you get that gift, that ram, you will get gold coins. So you can buy what all things you want. Dress you can buy, car you can buy. So what all things you want, you can buy with that.
I like ram.
So I too like a ram.
I like the steak.
Yes. Next one is worksheet. Words with the closest meaning. Here, three words have been here given there. You have to find the correct meaning. He went after the north wind. He dashed him right up to his house. So, shouted, repeated. First one is followed.
Followed.
Yes. What is that? Now we are discussing H. H and I. Next H is over. Next I.
Okay.
Okay. The boy went after the north wind. He followed him right up to his house. So followed is the answer. Please put a tick mark. Tessa Maria, are you stuck? No, can you hear?
Teacher, आरो video off आकेचु.
Who? Rishiyesh. Rishiyesh has no network clearly. Rishiyesh, can you hear? Rishikesh, can you hear me? Okay, second one. The valley came into view as the car turned that corner. It dashed like a beautiful green carpet below us.
Appeared.
Right, appeared. Tick mark for appeared. Rishikesh, where did you go? Next, third one. It is easy to find fault with others. It is hard to accept the dash for your own mistake. It's called blame praise.
Blame.
Put a tick mark for blame.
Miss, second one nanda.
Second one is appeared. Next, fourth one. I asked Mummy if she was aware of the day. Suddenly dashed that her birthday was just a week away. Seen? Not
Realized.
Yes. Tick mark for realized. Next, fifth one. My grandmother was happy and delighted when I won the writing competition. She was so dashed that she Emailed my story to the whole family. Glad, upset, shocked. Glad.
Glad.
Sir, please put
Glad.
glad. Yes. Next sixth one. When Nita's family moved to a new neighborhood, she went to the park and politely asked some children if she could join in their games. The children happily dashed her, and soon Nita made many new friends.
Included.
Included. Put a tick mark for
Included. Included.
Yes. Next, J. Which of these words can be used to describe the wind? Use any three of the words along with the wind to make sentences. Write them in your notebook. So those sentences should be written in your notebook. There is no book. Here, soft, blue, cool, whispering, colorless, gentle. How many words have been given there? So which are describing the wind? Windine describe ചെയ്യുന്ന words ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? Soft,
Soft.
cool,
Colorless. Gentle.
Now please put a tick mark for soft. Next, cool. Cool. Next, colorless. Colorless and gentle. Okay, sentences I have been given. A sentence നിങ്ങൾ നോട്ടിലേക്ക് തന്നെ പകർത്തി എഴുതണം കേട്ടോ. Okay, the wind feels soft on the face. So a word using
The wind feels soft on the face.
soft on the face. Second one is a cool wind was blowing
Blowing last night.
Next, third one, the wind is colorless.
Is colorless.
Next, fourth one, a gentle
A
wind.
gentle wind blows in
Yes.
evening.
Next one is X. Circle the words that are opposite in meaning to the words in capitals. Here, first one is ഈ ക്ലാസ് ടൈമിൽ ഇത് ആരെ ഫോണിട്ട് പണിഞ്ഞ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഞാൻ ഇറക്കി വിടും കേട്ടോ. എന്തെല്ലാം പണിയാ ഫോൺ വെച്ചോണ്ട് പണിതോണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നേ. ഋഷികേഷ്, why are you switching off your video? ഋഷികേഷ് എന്താ എപ്പോഴും വീഡിയോ ഓഫ് ആക്കുന്നേ? എന്താ പ്രശ്നം? നെറ്റില്ലേ? വീഡിയോക്ക് പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ടോ? Okay. Anson, what about you? Anson മൊത്തം പോയോ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നിന്ന്? Anson, are you there? Anson എന്തേ വീഡിയോ ഓഫ് ആക്കുന്ന? നെറ്റിന്റെ പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ടോ മോനെ? Do you have any net issue there? First one is carry. Carry the meaning, opposite. Opposite, carried, opposite, lift, drop, fetch.
Drop.
വിട്ട് കളയുക. Drop on the circle ചെയ്യുക. DROP, drop. Second one, finished. Finished here. The started. Stopped. Started. So please circle started. Next one is tightly. Softly.
Loosely.
Loosely. Okay. Loosely. Next, fourth one, hidden. Opposite.
Revealed.
Is given.
Revealed.
Sealed, closed, revealed. Answer is revealed.
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 Christy, you have done it. Next. Yes. Next one is ordered. Opposite to that, requested, commanded.
Requested.
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 Yes,
Requested. Requested.
Next one is grammar section. We know that a and are. Sorry, a and the, the. These are known as articles. Which are articles? A and the. Ayum, anum, dayum. A and an means only one. Single. Now the words a and an are a and are articles. So usually we will use a for the single ones and an also. ഒരെണ്ണത്തെ സൂചിപ്പിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ എപ്പോഴും എ ആണ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. This is a mango. She is a girl, like that way. But where we are using a and where are we using and? Do you know the difference? How many letters are there in English? Alphabets. How many alphabets are there in English?
26.
26.
Okay, 26 alphabets are there. Suddenly take your notebook and write. Only 5 more minutes are there. Soon take your notebook and write A, B, C, D up to Z. Fastly and neatly. Please, please, please. Fire in the mountain. Run, run, run. Like that way. Run, 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 and take your notebook. And then, do you remember that game? Fire in the mountain. Run, run, run. Do you remember that game? Yes. Like that way. Fastly take your notebook and write A, B, C, D up to Z.
A, B, C, D, Z.
Yes. Why you don't know? You should write neatly and little space should be there. Kuti ezhuthi vekkirudhe. Korchu space itti A itti space itti B ezhuga, next C ezhuga, next D ezhuga. Muttichu ezhudalla. Namukku korchu vera idu cheyanundu.
ഇപ്പോഴാണോ എഴുതേണ്ടത്?
Yes, fastly. Adalle parne fire in the mountain, run, run, run. Anything near it. Small letter, enough. Okay. Small letter or capital letter, no problem. Who is that? Devanjana? There are Devanjana no very career. Don't forget to mark your attendance, please. Finished. Okay. Yes, I hope you all have finished. So, like Malayalam and Hindi, in English also there are Swarashrangal and Vyanjanashrangal. Both are. Okay, enough. Okay. You finished.
English no interaction.
Ara parne ninoda. Ariyillenkil be silent. Please be silent, Hiba. Don't waste time. Okay. See, like Malayalam and English, we also have vowels and consonants. എന്നുവെച്ചാൽ സ്വരാക്ഷരങ്ങളും വ്യഞ്ജനാക്ഷരങ്ങളും ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ നമ്മള് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ only 5 letters are known as vowels. സ്വരാക്ഷരങ്ങൾ 5 എണ്ണേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Okay, now.
Finish. Finish.
എന്തിനാ ഇങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നേ? ഫിനിഷ്ഡ്. I, O, U are the vowels. Okay, so please circle that A, E, I, O, U. Circle either A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. How many letters are there? A, E, I, O, U. Only 5 letters. A, E, I, O. ഈ 5 letters ആണ് vowels എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay. 5 letters നെ നമ്മൾ vowels എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. How many letters are left remaining? How many letters are remaining? Count and say. Totally 26 letters are there. Totally 26 are there. Among that 5 is left. 5 letters are vowels. How many letters are left?
26.
21. Okay, 21 are left. Totally 26 ഉണ്ട്. അതിൽ നമ്മൾ 5 vowels നെ മാറ്റി വെച്ചു. ബാക്കി വരുന്ന 21 alphabets are known as consonants അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സ്വരാക്ഷരങ്ങൾ. ഹിബ കേട്ടോ? ഇപ്പം വ്യഞ്ജനാക്ഷരങ്ങളുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ ഇംഗ്ലീഷില്. These are consonants. Okay മോളെ. അപ്പം okay, vowels. Which are the vowels? A, E,
I, O, U.
letters are known as